It's a tragic story. A girl in Yemen, her name is Fawzia Amoudi. She was 12 years old. She died during childbirth, and that's not the worst part of it. When she was 11 years old, she was forcibly married off. That was last year, to a man twice her age. We don't know the specific reasons for that. I spoke to Ahmed al-Qurashi today, who's with the Siyaj Organization for Protection of Children's Rights in Yemen, and he said that he stumbled upon this story. He was going to hospitals. He was trying to find out about children that were displaced due to the fighting in the north of Yemen, and he found out about this. It's a very big problem, the problem of child marriages in Yemen. This girl was in a province that was remote. This girl was trying to get to a hospital. She started giving birth last Thursday. They got her to a hospital late on Thursday. Friday, she had bled to death. It's really, really sad, and we are trying to get reaction from the Yemeni government. We have not been able to yet, but we're chasing any kind of reaction. We'll update as soon as we have that. Aisha?
And Mohammed, what are aid agencies there on the ground in Yemen saying about this turn of events?
Aisha, we've spoken to UNICEF today, and earlier we spoke to Nasim al-Rahman. He's the communications officer for UNICEF in Yemen, and he explained to us in great detail what this kind of trauma does to a child. These are tribal customs that are prevalent in Yemen, especially in the area where this girl was, in Hodeidah province. And Nasim al-Rahman said that while he didn't know this specific girl or her specific case, he knew about girls like this. He understood the dangers this posed to girls in Yemen, and this is what he had to say.
She's pulled out of the school and pushed into marriage. When they're pushed into marriage, they're pushed into early pregnancy. And then in a system and environment where the health facilities are so poor that most of the birth takes place in the hands of the self-taught midwives and nurses, this is a recipe for disaster. It's like pushing our children